Hmm. Do you ever notice, Boxxo? There's like a maze here. Here, I'll let you stay here for a while. I'll look for my sister. This is a sister's maze. So if I don't come back anytime soon, I'll be right here for you, okay?
Oh no. I feel like I can't move over that maze either. What is she gonna find? Let's see what the maze it is. Hmm. Uh, well, I'm a vending machine. I don't move around the maze. Ugh. Such a waste of time. I'm gonna go get food for myself. What's my status anyway? 1 can of soda. What's 1 can of soda? Hmm. Ooh, Coca-Cola. That's pretty good. Okay, can of soda of Coca-Cola. That's pretty good.
Hmm. Oh, what's this? Can of Coca-Cola? How long has vending machine been here for?
Hmm. This girl, huh? I wonder what it looks like. She looks like cute, but she was the sister of Lammis. But what's her name anyway? Hmm. Oh, never mind. I'll just stand here. What? What was that?
Look, someone's cracking on the floor. Oh no, I'm gonna be dead for now. Ah!
Oh! Now what I've done.
I guess we're stuck here for now. You and me, Boxxo. Sorry. What?
Did I just talk like back? Like nope. I guess I'll better be staying here for a while. With that, Lemmis's sister. I don't know what to say.